Hey guys, I'm Suzanne Mulholland, also known as the Batch Lady, and I am back on YouTube. I used to be on YouTube a few years ago, and then I've popped on and off at different times on my channel, The Batch Lady, talking about batch cooking, freezer meals, and how to just make your life a lot easier rather than cooking from scratch night after night. So I am the author of all of these Batch Lady books, all different ones, a healthy one, and my original one, and my newest one, the budget one. So I spent a lot of time looking at easy recipes. I'm a time management person, so it's all about making things quickly so that you end up with lots of different meals, good variations of them, all in your freezer, ready to just grab out and use at any time. So it just takes the thought out of that monotonous day-to-day cooking. Well, I'm back on YouTube. I'm going to try to give you as many videos as possible on this channel, so do come along, like, subscribe, oh, I haven't said that in a long time, and follow me. I have a whole new section of recipes coming out called Grab and Cook recipes. I'm going to be explaining what they are. They're a bit like American dump bags. Come along with me and see what they're all about. Check out the video that's about to pop up after this one.